What it do, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I have to look forward because we are now in the airport and we are making our way over to our gate. We're flying to Barcelona, so we have to look for C57. So I mean, standard morning, woke up, went to breakfast, and then we were ready to go. We're just boarding with like backpacks on. Everybody's got their backpacks. And we just packed our swimming costumes, so we're just gonna like spend the day at the beach, maybe go around town a little, and then just see what Barcelona has to offer. We spoke to one person that's been there or that comes from there, I'm not sure, and she says that they basically just have their beaches to offer, but we are we're gonna go to town, and then we're going to go to town, walk around, and then go to the beach and chill there for the day, have supper, then fly back to Majorca. So it's gonna be quite an eventful day. Very excited to see what the day holds, and guys, let's have fun in Barcelona. Are you excited for Barcelona?
I'm very excited for the beach.
Show me your excitement.
Yay!
Really?
Everybody say scream!
Everybody say scream! On time, but now it's like 5 minutes behind schedule, I think. Can't really check the time, but the last time I checked there was 1 minute left and we're still here. So so I guess so far so good. I mean, compared to the last time we traveled, when we came to Spain we had like a 10-hour delay. So far so good. I just hope that when we do come back to Spain, to Majorca, it'll also be on time. So let's hope for the best. Just got to Barcelona and guess what? It's raining. So much for our beach plans. We're going to the metro. On our way to the metro. The metro.
Come on,
We just woke up.
A.
Give me an A.
Give me a
We just
B.
woke up from our flight in any case. Oh, there's the train. That time we haven't bought tickets.
Yeah, they are in Stasi. In the Stasi.
In the station. Sure.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa.
Barcelona.
So where do you go?
Universitat. Look at my wife. She's pretty Asian.
So there's the countdown. 30 seconds, guys. Babe, do you think it's gonna be on time? And I hear something. I hear something. I hear something. Whoa! It's on time. With 20 seconds to spare. Well, it went to 1 minute now for some odd reason, but it's on time. This is beautiful. Like, I can't even get it all in one picture. Oh my gosh. Yo, guys, can't give it anything in real life. Like, this building is amazing. Amazing. Hey, bicycle girl. Okay, I gotta go hop on. Whoa. Bye. Oh, okay. Hi guys, we're in Barcelona at the beach. This one has already gone inside. As you can see, he does not want to waste any time. Atonya! Atonya! Oh no! We don't want that. Let's go to our own beach. Just got some sangrias! Sister just said the water's cold. Yes! This one is deeper. So we're just gonna chill by the beach. The water's cold. It's not like our beach back in Majorca. Our beach is nice and warm.
Very warm.
very warm. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here for the day and then catch our flight back at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. flight back home. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Cheers, guys.
Yes, deep so quick. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Welcome back. Welcome. Well, not
Oh,
even
no.
welcome. It's a continuation of the vlog.
Previously on Damu House.
Baby.
Oh, there's bumps behind you. Stay right there, let's eat behind you.
Oh, so okay.
How about the bumps?
That won't be good.
That won't
YouTube
be.
is gonna take us down.
Barcelona. No, where are we again?
Guys, we just entered the water. I've already told them we're in Barcelona. They know. Just entered the water.
the
It's
water.
cold. I thought I wasn't gonna swim, but
Your husband gave
Yeah.
me FOMO.
my husband always gives me FOMO. And here I am. I'm wet. I'm gonna go for another round.
Let's go.
You wet? You going for another round?
Okay guys, we are back. My hair's wet, but we done swimming. It started raining actually, and we are heading back to the airport. Going to grab some. Oh my god! Going to grab some lunch. This guy wants to sightsee, but
We have
unfortunately
3 hours. We can
have-
do it. We can do sightseeing in 1 hour. We can eat in 30 minutes. We can
And
take-
not everybody eats as fast as my husband, guys. He inhales food, he doesn't chew. So unfortunately, we have to head back to the airport.
You can go. I'll
Sorry,
find
my
you
babe.
forward.
You'll find us forward.
Everyone has a phone. Everyone has a
No, my
phone.
battery's low, dog.
Then
And your battery's dying too.
I'll make a plan.
Okay.
I'll make a plan.
So
Here's
yeah,
my brother.
we're going.
African brother.
We're going to eat. I'm so hungry. I've actually been hungry for the time we landed, baby.
Baby, with a
I wanna
full
eat.
gourmet breakfast.
I wanna eat. Yeah, I had an omelette. There's no bread.
Champagne.
Anyway, we're going to go to the airport and eat and wait to board our gate.
Yep, one day. Hey, Marata was style. Come to Barcelona to swim and then go back.
Yes. Next we go to Paris for some ice cream and then we come back.
Ooh, lily macaroons. It's
Yes.
it's only tricky. It's other countries.
Johannesburg.
What's Johannesburg?
Johannesburg.
Yeah, but yeah,
yeah,
it was
but-
cool. I love the
yeah.
water. The beach was cool.
Uh-huh.
The sand was a bit rough. I
Oh
hear-
yes,
what
yo,
is
it
this
was
area?
rocky. It's rocks.
This is
Like it's not
educate
really
the
beach
people.
sand. It's like rocky,
Yeah,
rocky.
this is. I don't know what area this is. Basically, it's like the Attersville of Barcelona.
The Attersville of Barcelona,
Yeah.
but with a beach.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
but-
beach is called Saint Miquel. Very rocky.
Sand. Let me see that. Oh, sand.
Sand, actually. Thank you. Sand. Next, we're gonna try. Oh, there they are. Oh, there's my sister. Hello. Bye.
Yeah,
Don't
so
go
we're
to
gonna.
sand.
Yeah,
Cause
sand.
Santa thing.
Santa Kimatapa. But anyway, we're gonna get on a bus, get to the airport, and go back home. Woohoo! We made it, guys. We made it to Barcelona, in and out. Oh yeah.
Hello, kids. The time is now 12 a.m. Around about 12
You
a.m.
can't check then if the video's already recording.
Whoa. We're back. So, we are cold, number one. You can see brothers is just wearing a shirt on a vest and a vest on a shirt. So yeah, it's tough. It's tough. It's been a long 45-minute flight. It's so cold. My Angie, my baby.
My bag broke and I couldn't open the zip.
Oh well, yeah, the
I
concert.
couldn't open the zip and I couldn't get my long sleeve out of my bag. I was freezing,
He's
basically.
my angel. And
But
we had
yeah,
like
we just
separate
came
seats
back.
because it's like, you know, cheap ass airlines. We couldn't check in and we couldn't change seats. And it's like, it's more expensive to change the seats than to actually book the flight. Yeah, right? Or it's more expensive to actually print your boarding pass than the actual
Yeah,
flight.
which is weird. So like nobody
Like-
prints their boarding pass.
Yeah, you have to do everything yourself. So
But anyway, we
we're
went
back.
for a swim, for a dip in
Went-
Barcelona
And the sangria.
and a sangria.
And yeah, we're going
Now
home
back.
now.
Well, not home. We are still in Majorca.
feels like home.
Oh yeah. I meant home, like
We've been here for a
yeah,
while.
on the island, the
Going
other
back to the
island.
hotel.
Going back to the hotel.
I
So
hope it's warm outside. Like I hope the air.
you know what's funny
hot.
about Spain and like buildings here? You open doors to get warm. You actually leave buildings to
Yeah,
get
I'm just saying,
warmer.
I hope it's warm outside.
Yeah, because
But
oh my
here
gosh,
it's cold.
inside kiddie aircon. But yeah, we're excited to go home. Well, the hotel, yeah. And we're just gonna stop by
A swim.
the travel
The ocean is
agency.
probably hot as well.
Ne? Stop by the travel agency.
Yeah, to book our shuttle for
book
tomorrow.
our shuttle for tomorrow.
We are going back home.
Now we are going back home.
Yes.
And then this one,
Sleep.
another home.
Going to Netherlands.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
No.
Oh
We
my
still have
word.
Netherlands, so tune in for that
Before
one.
I
So
go
see
home,
you guys. See ya.
We signing
Subscribe. We signing out. Good night.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Comment.
hit the notification bell, and share. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah.